Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So Insta360 today has launched a brand new version of the Go 3. Basically, essentially it is the same camera. They've just launched it in a new black version. I received it yesterday and I thought we'd open it up and check it out together. And there we go there. Yeah, that actually looks really sharp in black. It was one thing I think I mentioned in my review of the Go 3 is that I wish they sold it in a black color. So let's go ahead, we'll pull that off. There's a little protective film over the screen. We'll set that to the side and we'll get a little bit deeper into the box here. Got an information card there. We have all the accessories there in the bottom. So here we have a charging cable. We have all our literature, some stickers. We have a wedge, and this is for when you're wearing it with the pendant. It allows you to angle it either up or down. We have our hat mount. Here we have the pendant. It allows us to wear it around our neck. We have a sticky mount. This thing is reusable. It's got a little adhesive on the back that you can stick to things. If it starts to lose its stickiness, just wash it with water and let it dry, and you'll be able to reattach it again. Down here in the bottom, we have a magnetic mount, and then we have the base unit here. And the Go 3 just mounts in there like that when you want to use it more like a traditional action camera. So now if you are in the market of a Go 3 this holiday season, you have the option of white or black. The black actually looks really sharp. I'm quite pleased with that actually. Now most of you are already aware of what the Go 3 is. Insta360 released this back in the spring. Essentially, it is a wearable point of view camera. For most people, this isn't going to replace a traditional action camera, but it's a great addition to your kit for grabbing certain style of shots in some scenarios. Just due to its small, lightweight size, it's great for wearing on a hat or a bandana, just to get you those really unique perspectives and mounting it in places you just can't mount a traditional action camera. For some people, this is the only action camera you need. When it's paired with the base unit, essentially you have a traditional action camera. This camera features a fold-out screen similar to the Ace Pro that was launched, but one really nice feature about the camera is you can use the base as a remote, and not only remote, but a remote with a video feed. So if you have this mounted away from you, you're always able to get a preview of your shot. You can use it to stop and start recording or change any of the settings. So it is a pretty cool camera, and as mentioned, it's perfect for grabbing point of view shots, especially when you're going to be mounting a camera and you don't want to be bogged down with gear. Sometimes mounting a full-size action camera on a hat or on a head strap can be a little bit obtrusive. Something like this you don't even know you're wearing, and you can enjoy the moment but still capture that nice immersive footage. So yeah folks, just an unboxing of the new Black Edition Go 3. I'll include a link to it down in the description of this video if you want to go check it out further. I'll also include a link to my full review of this camera, which I did earlier this year, if you want to learn more about it. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.